Hello guys. Okay, today I want to show us how to use Fibonacci retracement tool on sell trades on bearish trend, right? This tool, many people find it very confusing on how to use it and where it comes in. Okay, this is the tool I'm talking about. This tool here is Fibonacci tools. Some of us have heard about it and some of us have not heard anything about it before, but I want to tell you very importantly that this tool here is like a hack. Okay, is a retracement hack. If you want to catch retracements on trades, this tool is going to help you a lot, especially if you are a price action trader. Whether you're a price action trader or not, you're supposed to know how to use this tool. Okay, so there's so many ways to use it, but I'm going to be showing us a major trick, right? A hack, how to use it. And I'm using it on volatility indices. Most of us that trade synthetics will know about volatility indices. Okay, so be very attention. I'm going to show us, it's not going to be a very long process. It's something very interesting. So right now, we can see that this pair here is on a downtrend. It's been making series of lower lows and higher lows, right? Lower highs rather. So it's been making series of lower lows and lower highs. So we can see that, and one thing we can note here is that each time it makes a lower low, there is always a pullback, and then there is a continuation in selling. We want to know how we can catch some of these pullbacks, like these pullbacks here. Excuse me, these pullbacks. We want to see how we can catch some of these pullbacks. How do we catch these pullbacks? Okay, how do we catch these pullbacks? Okay, so pay attention, right? I'm going to show us exactly how it works. How these things works. Okay, so number one, I use this tool whenever I see a consolidation. Okay, and this is example of a consolidation. See, you can see price consolidated here. Price range was ranging. You can see that ranging. Yes, this is very important for you to note. After this ranging, what did you notice? You noticed a breakout to the upside. You see these breakouts. So in other words, we can see that there was a liquidity sweep, right? Liquidity was taken out of here, so remember that. So there was a breakout out of here, and then take notes, after a breakout and that liquidity sweep, we noticed the pullback. But then at this point, this pullback didn't show us, give us indication for a sell. Rather, it gave us indication for a buy, but we are not interested in buying because this is a downtrend, right? So at this point here, look at what happened. It retraced after an impulsive move that took out liquidity to this point. It came back to the previous high, forming a support at the previous resistance, right? This is a support, this is a resistance. Let me take that again. This is a support, right? And this is a resistance, right? So you can see where whenever resistance turns to a support, it means a buy. But we're not taking a buy yet because we know that this buy is not going to hold for now. So we are patiently waiting for the time this impulsive move will come down to this point, anywhere at this point, okay, previous low, so that we will now look for a retracement that will give us entry for a sell, right? So you can see at this point the price later came down to this point and now retraced. So this retracement here now is where we bring in our Fibonacci tool. Okay, let me show us Fibonacci tool. So this is where Fibonacci tool comes in. We're going to place it at the highest point it moved after the impulsive move. We're going to place 100 there for a sell. Okay, for a bearish trend, we're going to place 100 at the highest point up, and the 0 is going to be down at the lowest point it moved. So, and our PNL, our entry is going to be at 61.8, and our stop loss is going to be above, little above 0.78 or 78.6 78.6 zone. So, and I bet you this strategy here works like magic. It's going to sell down to this point. It's going to sell down to the lowest, previous lows. But then our TP1, our advice is should be here, okay, and this will give us about, TP1 should be here. This should give us about 1:3. So our TP2 should be here. Okay, supposed to complete this cycle, should be here. So this is very simple. Let me take that again. Number one, a consolidation around this point. Number two, a breakout to the upward side, taking out liquidity. Number three, a pullback. See, a pullback to the previous low, okay. Then the last one is a retracement to 61.8, and then your stop loss above 78.6. then you get ready for the ride. So this ride is going to go all the way down to this price 2184, and that's just it. So guys, this is, I should just show you guys a magic trick here. You're gonna thank me, later. In fact, always, for showing you this. The only thing I want you guys to do for me is to like my videos and share with your friends. Okay, share my videos with your friends. Engage in this video. Tell me what you think. Tell me if this stuff really help to make some money from volatility indices. Thank you guys for watching.